What if there was a system that once learned could consistently bring you in high-end cleaning clients in targeted neighborhoods every week? Would that radically change your business? Would you want to know that system? Well, I've got it. I'm John Braun, and I've been helping cleaners get more clients online and offline for over 10 years. I've been a featured speaker at many industry events. Just last month, I was the featured speaker at the ICE Expo Cleaning Convention in Las Vegas. And I've written dozens of articles for trade publications, and I've coached cleaners all over the world. And yes, I still actually own a cleaning business. Now, when you have a system that can consistently bring in new clients, then you can grow a reliable cleaning company to support your family and your lifestyle. Once you know how to use neighborhood targeting to get the best cleaning clients, you can pick and choose the clients that you want to clean for. I've got a little saying that says, life is too short to clean for crazy people. And if you're not specifically going after the people that you want to clean for, you're going to end up cleaning for the wrong person. Now, when you do neighborhood targeting the right way, you can get as many cleaning clients as you want, when you want. So that's what this video is all about. Are you ready to get the right cleaning clients in the top neighborhoods? I've coached over 1,000 people and taught them in the cleaning industry how to do neighborhood marketing. When I first started out, it was a little bit rough. I started with Postcards. This is the exact one that I sent, and they didn't do too well, quite honestly. Later on, every door direct mail came around, and every door direct mail, EDDM, worked great. We were able to target specific neighborhoods with large postcards, and it worked like gangbusters. Now, soon I decided to develop some online ways of complementing that neighborhood EDDM campaign by using Facebook ads, where I could actually target that same exact neighborhood that I was sending those postcards to on Facebook, so that they would see my ads on Facebook. As well, target on Google AdWords, to where when people did a search on AdWords, they would see an ad saying that I was the neighborhood cleaning company, the same guy that sent them that wonderful large postcard campaign, and they would recognize me that way. So here I was doing multifaceted marketing, and not only that, but I would also target those same people where they would see my ads on CNN.com saying, hey, we're the Scenic Hills Cleaning Company, and also on weather.com, where I would say the same thing. So I'm hitting these people in a very small, segmented, particular area in multiple different ways. And now I'm in a different place. I've actually built a successful cleaning business, and I've helped others all over the world do the same exact thing. And it all started with neighborhood marketing. Now, one big question that I always get is, how much do I actually have to spend on advertising? And it really all depends on what you want to spend. It can be done for as little as $100 a month, or even some guys $50 a month. Now, I will tell you that the more you spend, if you're doing it properly, the more you're going to get in return for the most part. But it definitely can be done for very, very small amounts of money. Now, when I think about how it feels to grow a reliable cleaning business, I'm reminded of one of my coaching members who just started his business outside of Atlanta. I taught him how to use neighborhood targeting to get the best clients so that he could transition into cleaning full time. This is actually a post that he made on Facebook talking about how he was starting to have success with his neighborhood marketing campaigns. And another member who took my advice and turned his failing carpet cleaning company that was doing $100,000 or even less in sales into doing close to $1 million a year in sales. Now, before I tell you more about this program, I have to warn you, because this is going to be a live, interactive program, and since it's an online coaching program, registration is going to only be open for a little bit of a time. Now, since you're watching this video, either you need better cleaning clients, or you need more clients to build a steady, predictable business. So whether you're just starting out or you've been in the cleaning business for a while and you need better clients, this course will give you what you need to help you build your cleaning business. So first off, when you join the online neighborhood marketing program, you'll get a series of videos and PDF handouts to show you how to get your best targeted clients. I've broke all of this up into training, into individual modules that you'll have access to in a special training website where I walk you through all of the steps on how to use Google AdWords and Facebook ads to target high-end neighborhoods. And after the program is over, you'll still have access. So you'll be able to go back over the material at your leisure. You'll find that the ability to review the material as often as you like at your own convenience is pretty valuable. We'll include MP3s that you can actually download on your smartphone, and it'll be a complete training module, training package available to you at your disposal. We'll also do at least 5 group webinars where we'll do live training to answer all of your questions. Now, these will also be recorded if you can't make it, where you can ask your question beforehand and I'll answer it on the webinar. We'll also have the video recorded and the MP3. So some guys love to listen to it while they're driving around doing work during the day, so we want to make that available to you. And what we're going to do is answer all the questions that you have. And some of the questions and topics we'll talk about is how to target in on the high-end neighborhoods and not waste money. Sometimes if you're not doing it right, you can end up wasting a lot of money. How to use AdWords and Facebook profitably and how to avoid some of those pitfalls. What to say in your ads to trigger a response. Because believe it or not, it's not just the setting up of the ad or the picture, which is important, but what you say in the ad and the text and the copy of the ad. Also, too, what to say on your website to get a response. Because with some of these, if you don't say the right things on your website after the people click on your ad, you're losing money, and you don't want to do that. So we're going to talk a lot about that as well. I'll show you how to do all of that stuff in the online neighborhood marketing course. Now, the bottom line is that we're going to cover a lot of ground over the next 2 months, and you're going to come out the other end with a better marketing system to target the best clients. But that's not enough. I want to take you beyond just knowing how to do this and right into action. So I'm going to give you some bonuses that'll help you get more cleaning clients. So you're probably thinking that I've put together a pretty amazing package already, but I thought long and hard about how I could make this offer better, and I came up with not 1, but 2 bonuses, and these bonuses would easily be worth more than the cost of the entire course. The first bonus is all about helping your website sell better and convert more web lurkers into clients. So we're going to hold a special webinar just to review websites and give you tips on the triggers to make your cleaning website sell. And you'll get the recordings and the PDF handouts of this training webinar, of course. I've never sold this before, but if I did, I'd sell it for at least $99. And the second over-the-top bonus is the entire EDDM course that I put out a few years ago that has helped cleaners send large postcards to targeted neighborhoods. And I'm even actually adding more postcards to that right now for you in that course. Now, this course alone sells for $397 on my website right now, and that's what cleaners have paid for this course. You're going to get this particular EDDM template, which has been a very good one, and also dozens of other neighborhood templates to use every direct mail. And not only the templates, but you're going to get the training on how to do the best neighborhood marketing for EDDM postcards that you can actually do. And this is the premier EDDM course training for the cleaning industry. So the total bonuses alone are easily valued at $498. So you're probably wondering, what are we going to be charging for this course? What is your investment? And your investment is just $397. But actually, I thought about that and I decided, just for the people who signed up at the very beginning of the course, that I will drop the price by $100 so that the price will be $297 only if you sign up right away. Ad Club members get access to the course for free. So if you're watching this and you're in the Ad Club, you're already registered. You're already going to be getting the emails. You're already going to be getting access to all of this. So you are already registered. But with that, I wanted to make a note that if you're not in the Ad Club, you can get in the ad club and still get access to the course without paying the one-time membership fee. So you have two options. You can either pay a one-time fee of $297 and have access to the entire EDDM course as well as the online neighborhood course where we do the training for the Facebook ads and the Google AdWords ads, or you can join the ad coaching club for $137 per month, and then you'll get access to all of this same training as well. Now, with the ad club, you'll only have access to the training when you're a current active member. With the one-time payment, you'll have access to this training pretty much forever. So keep that in mind. Now, I charge $400 for just one AdWords or Facebook setup, and I'm about to raise that price probably to at least $500, and that's what I have charged dozens, if not 100 or more than 100 people to do this type of thing. And then even after that initial setup, I charge $150 a month or more for maintenance. So what I'm going to be teaching you, you're going to see all of the stuff that I do for these type of clients, and you can put this same thing into place in your own business. So remember, if you want to build a steady, lucrative cleaning business, then you have to market different from your competition. Think about how your life will be different if you commit to targeting only the best cleaning clients. So go ahead and click the button below this video and join me in the online neighborhood marketing course. One last thing that I need to mention, this is a limited time offer, so the online neighborhood marketing course is only open for 7 days at this price. And then the bonuses will be taken down and we'll start the class. So if you want to get in, then you need to act quickly. If you're ready to target in on the best neighborhoods and the best cleaning clients, then your next step is to click the order button below and get registered for the online neighborhood marketing training course. But one more thing. When you register, you'll also get an opportunity to have me personally review your AdWords ads and your Facebook ads, and even get your website reviewed. We'll have a couple of different webinars just specifically for that to get my direct feedback. You'll have a full 30-day money-back guarantee to see if my online neighborhood marketing course is right for you. If you determine that it isn't, just let me or my assistant know and we'll gladly refund your money. No hassles. No hard feelings. And one last thing. I'm not some marketing magician. I've been learning neighborhood marketing tactics for over 2 decades. And all of this has become into the online neighborhood marketing course. This is me when I first started my cleaning business back in the late 90s. And since then, I've continually worked on it, refining it, adding to it, perfecting it. And the result is a method, a system that can be applied very successfully over and over again. If you're ready to target the best neighborhoods in your city, then the next step is to click the order button below and get registered for the online neighborhood marketing course. Now is your time. So there's never going to be a better time to grow your cleaning business than to act now. Registration is closing really soon, so now is the time. Enroll in the online neighborhood marketing course and say yes to building a steady, profitable cleaning business. Click the button below and join me now. This is your time, and I'd love to serve you in targeting the best clients. You have a decision to make. Online neighborhood marketing works. It's worked for me, and it's worked for hundreds of my clients. So click the button below now, and I'll see you in the course.